Feeling a little deja vu here. Back in Tampa Airport. I hear race cars. What's up, guys? We're here at the St. Pete Grand Prix. Looks like IndyCar practice is hot right now. So we're walking to the edge of the parking garage to see if we can see. Oh, it's that way. We got tickets. Why are we standing up here? Remember in the last video when I was in a parking lot? Click here if you missed that. But it's right here.
Pit lane, so he should be cleared off the racetrack. Yellows, that is a full course yellow being thrown. Caution is out here at the streets of St. Pete. Again, the 66 down the inside of Gray Newell and put the 25 in the fence. And then as he drove along, that right side tire not connected to anything, and it slams the left side. That's a big hit for that 66 TRG Porsche.
All right, so the GT race is over. It was crazy, lots of crashes and stuff. One right in front of us in the parking lot section of the track. So next up is IndyCar qualifying.
Oh yeah, no.
In like 15 minutes or 20 minutes or so. felt like the drone, but I was on it.
That is such a weird fucking vehicle. I'm not gonna lie. Like, and it's so like shaky. And it's just weird. It's a weird thing.
It's quieter inside than I was expecting it to be too.
Yeah,
I was expecting you to have that whoop 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 noise like
I
the
was
whole
able
time.
to talk to him and take the thing off.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome.
So happy you like that. All right, anything moving? Yeah, we gotta wait.
Quali's done. We are walking against traffic now because there's an autograph session. And I don't really care about the autographs. I just want to say hi to some people.
You have anything to autograph?
No. Usually they'll have like hero cards on the table.
Yes, 2020.
Where are you right now? Okay. Well, I get you one signed autograph.
I did 29.
How shitty the hand sanitizer is.
The hand sanitizer is shitty. Justin wanted me to
Don't use it.
specify that
Do not use it.
particular detail. Like, wait, no, you gotta say it. Like in the video about the bike when you're like, we're going to get Chick-fil-A later. I feel like that's important to mention.
Who said that?
You did.
I said that? We're gonna get Chick-fil-A later. I think that's important to mention.
Well, now we know Justin doesn't watch my videos.
No comment. But
Busted.
listen, do not use.
And it
the
was
hand
one that you were
sanitizer.
in. You were in the video. Why wouldn't you watch it? If Matt's not in the video, he
Which
doesn't
one
watch
is
it.
that? Is that the bike video?
Yeah.
I didn't know I was in that.
You vlogged it. Oh, can we walk on the track? I did that already. Just click here to see it.
Yo.
This is where, oh, this is the beach.
It's funny because this is just a normal road when this is not happening.
Throwback to 2 weeks ago. Go, go, go!
I like Florida people. They're always fun. They're like so much better than New York people. Don't put that in the video.
But he is definitely
The first race of the day. pretty sure I just spotted Zach Brown from McLaren, and I think he went into this really cool trailer. Hello! Holy shit, it's Zach Brown. Zach! What's up, man? I just got a fist bump from Zach Brown. All right, I can leave now. Hear that? They're on the formation lap.
So much was made in the offseason about these two young guns that asserted themselves a year ago. Guys like Pelot, O'Ward, and Herta. Certainly no one's forgot about the established veterans like Dixon, Erickson, Newgarden, and Pelot waiting for the green flag to fly, and we will get the 2022 season underway. The green flag flies. Michael Young, turn number 1.
Field makes her way down the front straightaway there, 3 wide. It is Joseph Newgarden working his way to the inside. Colton Herta right there as well. No, excuse me, Scott McLaughlin, that's my bad, but Colton Herta right there. The field 2 wide through 2, and through turn number 3, they're clean and on their way down to 4.
Yeah, Colton Herta grabs that second spot, and it looks like
I've become a squirrel. That's it. It's over. It's fun. And I am back at the condo. I am burnt. So a few recommendations if you're planning to go to the St. Petersburg Grand Prix next year. Number 1, freaking sunscreen, man. Freaking sunscreen. Number 2, a hat, especially if you don't have any hair like me. Number 3, buy grandstands. The general admission is lacking. The grandstands are in direct sunlight, so prepare for that, but you're definitely better off having grandstand tickets. My last recommendation is hit the My last recommendation would be to hit that subscribe button, because we do this a lot here at Counter Steer Garage. We will be heading out with SRO America to Sonoma, so you'll see a lot more racing stuff here. Autocross season starting, so you'll see more of that stuff. Off-roading season starting again, so you'll see more of that stuff. We're building the B-Mod. We're doing a lot of stuff, so hit that subscribe, jingle the little bell so you get a notification when a new video comes up. I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.